Ndeto iria ikoretwo itungitio mbukirira nene ni onjoria aria mirigo yao ikoretwo ikwamite gicukuru-ini kia mirigo kia Mombasa riu yaya kuya mwerekera ungi mweru kuona onjoria acio riu maheanite ihinda ria ciumia 2 makorwo marekereirio mirigo yao kana mambike mururungano munene wa gutumithia minyamario iria makoretwo matungitio.
But we shall call a demonstration if in 2 weeks we don't have our cargo released, if we don't have people who are mentioned in graft arrested and taken to court.
Makiaria na andiki a mohoro guku Nairobi, onjoria acio riu moritie President Uhuru akorwo akimateithura, makiuga makoretwo makirio ni ruo thengia yao gukorwo magitindikwo ni maruni.
Out of 100%, only maybe about 30% of shops are open. Many have closed, many have even committed suicide because of loans, and their cargo is lying at Mombasa port.
Tugithie na mbere ni ati Minister wa ukui na waki James Macharia augite gukinyaniria na riu Akenya 220,020 nio marikitie kwiyandikithia mubango-ini wa waki wa manyumba guku ruhonge rwa wonjoria kiumbe na anyiti itemi makiranira kuhura jeki mubango uyu na kigina gia ciringi trilioni 2.2.
By this unit being completed, we shall give keys to 228 deserving Kenyans, and then we move to the next phase. In the next phase,
there's a 1 million shillings. There's 2 million and a 3-bedroom, which is 60 square meters, is going to go for 3 million. Then there are some houses targeting senior civil servants who want 90 square meters. They will go for about 4.5, and that is on the high side.
Hideni riu nake murunawe wa ministry ya iganda na wonjoria Peter Munya nake augite thirikari ni rikitie guthugunda kamiti ya mwanya iria gakorwo ikiumba kigena ya gukombithia ahuri biashara nini niguo mahote kwirera.
So that fund we are now concluding the regulations for the fund how it will operate. The committee is already in place, is doing that work, which will be gazetted before the money is provided in the new financial year.
Thirikari rungu rwa utongoria wa President Kenyatta itanyite gwaka nyumba cia thogora wa thi iria ikinyanirie 500,000 gukinyaniria mwaka wa 2022. Kameme wonjoria Jitanesh Kinyua.